Shohagh Paribahan is a reputed and popular company in Bangladesh. They have been providing passenger transport services since 1972. Everyone, welcome to Bidyard Valley. Today I will draw the Shohagh Paribahan on AC bus. I hope everyone like this video and try to watch the full video. Press the like button if you like the video, and you must comment from where you are watching the video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe.